Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to do a hard reset to Samsung Galaxy S10, and the method is the same also for S10 Plus and S10e, so let's do it. First thing that you must do is to power off your phone from the power button and hit power off. Wait a few seconds. And now you must push and hold together the volume up, the Bixby button and the power button, all three together until you'll see Samsung logo, so let's do it. Now remove your fingers and wait a few seconds. And now you must select with the volume buttons, wipe data factory reset. Okay, this is. And to confirm, just press the power button, and again with the volume buttons just select yes, I hope you see it, and press the power button again to confirm. Wait a few seconds. Okay, now the format is end, and to reboot your phone just press again the power button and wait until your phone will restart. And now I'm back, and all that you must do is the initial setup, just hit next.
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
And that's all. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.